You lot have no idea what you're in for. But we're walking through the town in our ninja outfits. So we'll see where we end up. Right, we're going now to get family photos in front of the temple, in front of tourists, dressed up as ninjas. So it's pretty dark, but it's actually quite lovely. We're on a little bridge, getting our pictures taken, running around the town in our ninja outfits, which is quite funny. Like I said, Scarlett's absolutely devastated, and we got our picture taken in front of that. There.
Ninja star.
Ah, ninja star.
Yeah.
Right.
Second is blowgun.
Okay.
Last is katana.
Ah, right.
Very angry. Angry!
Yay!
Whoa! Makogi is straight cut. Oh, okay. Makogi! Yes. Homo. Makogi! Homo.
So we've just finished our ninja experience, which was funny. The guy was mad, but energetically, positively mad. But it was great fun. We did enjoy it. So now we're just we're walking around, a bit of sightseeing, making our way back slowly to the hotel, and just found this lovely little street. And I'm not sure where we're going to, but yeah, we'll just have a little mooch around.
So now we're off to Kyoto again to try on kimonos and tramp around Ninzakaya and the Gion district and take some beautiful pictures.
So there's loads of little back streets and all like this. How you know these ways? Unbelievable. Walking up. That looks lovely, Scarlett, that. That really looks lovely. Right, so we got our kimonos on. Oh wow, look at that. And your Scarlett, see the back of yours? Yeah, lovely. They do it so quick as well, don't they? No. The way mine was like boom, boom, boom. I was done.
But we were standing up for like
in seconds.
Yeah, 10 minutes at least.
So we're walking around, we're all dressed up. Spin this around on myself. Hey, that's my outfit. Yeah. That's what I've got. So we're just gonna have a little bit of mooch around the shops while you two walk on.
Okay.
I'll follow you. So we got our smart outfits and all on. We just come across this little coffee shop, and each of these shops have these little displays, so you can see what's on offer. Obviously, they're not all real, just like models that have been made, so you can see. So Scarlett and Gina are getting some. What are you getting? Ices? Is it?
Shaved ice.
Shaved ice. Flavoured shaved ice. A little wee coffee shop. And we've got lots of little sweets. Little jars of sweets.
It's incredibly humid and we are absolutely, we've got about 62 layers under this. So we're having a shaved ice, which is quite nice.
Yeah, so it's a hot day, wasn't it? 26, 27 today.
She's got blue. No.
Was it meant to be blueberry?
I don't know.
You know?
Oh my god, that is roasting.
It's really, really hot now, isn't it?
Oh, it's gone in my eyes.
There you go, look at the styling they've done on Scarlett's hair and now Gina's hair. Look at that, they've done the whole works. They didn't do anything with my hair. So it's just started to rain, unfortunately, and we're just walking down back to the shop. I thought I'd just give you a view of the shops and the little places. You can see down the bottom there, Scarlett and Gina. Yeah. There's quite a few shops that do this. You can dress up. And there we are, back at the shop. So we're at Kyoto train station, which is huge. We've literally just come in, and we're going to try and find our bearings and see where our train is.